I'll briefly introduce you to the network analysis module within Savi tools. In this video tutorial, I will guide you through the functions and analysis capabilities offered in the module. On the home screen, we select Network K-Test, and this will direct us to the module home screen. The network K-test can be used to determine whether an observed contact network is epidemiologically relevant. If the network connections represent transmission pathways, then infected nodes should be more likely to be connected to other infected nodes in the network than expected by chance. Example data is provided that is already uploaded and ready to analyze. Alternatively, you can upload your own data. You can select either of these options in the left-hand panel, and you can download sample files that provide an example of the required formats. Here I will demonstrate how to upload our own data. When you select this option, the window expands, allowing you to first choose the edge list file. You click Choose File, and a new window appears. You then navigate to the edge list CSV file in your own directory. The gold bar here indicates that the file was successfully uploaded. The file is previewed in the main window so that you can check that the correct file was uploaded. Next, you upload the attribute CSV file in the same manner. File requirements and specifications are described in the info buttons and in the user guide, which you can download by clicking here. You click on Network Information to specify your input variables for the K-test. Here you specify if there is direction in transmission. If you select false, transmission can occur in either direction. The number of iterations specifies how many permutations to perform, which I will leave at the default value of 10. K refers to how large of a neighborhood is considered for the K statistic. I will leave this value at 1, indicating that I'm testing direct connections to the infected node. The bin option allows you to select which type of randomization will be performed. Full is a complete randomization. Lastly, you can select the type of connection: ingoing, outgoing, both, or all. I will select all, as we are using an undirected network that I specified above. You press Generate Output, and a network plot is eventually generated. This can take a bit of time depending on the number of iterations that are specified. In the network plot, infected nodes are colored orange and uninfected nodes are white. You can zoom in and out of the plot by moving the slider right and left. If you click on the K-test tab, the observed K statistic is calculated along with the p-value associated with the K-test. In this example, the p-value is very small, suggesting that the occurrence of cases is a result of propagation of the pathogen through network links. The density plot below depicts the null distribution of the case statistic when the location of infected nodes is randomized within the network.